So this month's Unreal Engine free content is stacked. Let's break down what you can grab before 18 November 9:59 a.m. ET completely free. So first up we have here DieselPunk by KitBash3D, a full cinematic environment dripping with post-industrial grim and airship era style, perfect for retro futuristic worlds, newer shooters or story-driven RPGs. You are looking at over 21 gigabytes of handcrafted geometry, modular buildings, props, and skyline assets. It's optimized for film quality shots, which means it's heavy but breathtaking, as you can see on the screen. So it's just huge. You have to optimize it for games because it is not optimized for games. So you have to take it to Blender or whichever 3D software you use, and you have to optimize this for your games. Because if you are going to use it in games, then it won't give you too many high FPS. It can only be used as of now in films. So it's super useful asset which is normally premium but now free. So don't sleep on this one. Whether you use it in games or in films, just add it to your arsenal and you can use it whenever, however you like. Moving forward, we have the Dwarven City Modular Environment by Scale Z. Think deep mountain kingdoms, massive halls, or glowing forts built entirely modular. So you can carve out anything from a small tavern to a full underground fortress. It's 3 GB on disk, mid-range performance friendly, and work great with dynamic and baked lighting. Not the flashiest visuals, but with few post-processing tweaks, it shines, ideal for fantasy RPGs or adventure dungeons. I mean, this is ready to use in games, but yes, of course, you can use in films as well because they work pretty well with everything. And as you can see on the screen, they are stunning visuals. Now, moving forward, we have finally the LED light generator by Samur Art. If I'm not pronouncing it right, please correct me in the comment section. And it is just a tiny size file of just 55 megabytes, but it's insanely useful. It gives you dynamic color customization, LED panels with material instant that response in real time. Great for sci-fi dashboard, countdowns, or stylized UI elements directly in the world. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.